Hi, this is a Hamilton Vasavi biometric door lock system. This biometric system, before going to fitting the particular door system, first we required uh, measurement and marking data sheet and linking module and Allen key module and two screwdrivers and rod and these are the different type screws and this is the sample type door system and these are the biometric fingerprint modules for marking and measurement. We take data sheet. According to that data sheet we fix that marking like that and fix that particular measurement and make a marking for that measurement beading side and we fix link key type model. We take that model and properly fix it on in that marking and fix the screws properly. Next we take fingerprint door type module and fix in. We take door rod and insert in that module and fix in that specific location. That biometric module backside of the door we have to take a frame type and fix in that frame and screws. We have to take this backside module. This is weak and this cable, this connector cable connects to this like this. After connecting this pins connector, we have to insert this fix properly like that. This screw insert and fix in that this type screws and fix into the like this. After completion, after fitting this these two modules front and back, these two modules like front module of the door and back side of the door, we have to take DC type batteries. These 4 batteries fix into like this. At last your fitting and installation will be completed like this. and this is a normal condition. We if you want to place our finger on a particular module, you can place on your finger, that is any type finger, like this. You can place in that this is Allen key. If suppose if you want to make our familiar type that handle, we have to open it and fix our and remove it. A convenient position, left like this. Take that screw, ఏం కాదు, అర్థం కాదు.